Although we wouldn't recommend taking your chances.
No kidding.
Because, yeah.
No kidding.
Those odds are
We
never
had
in your favor.
Some very strong thunderstorms this afternoon. They were east of I-75. They moved on up towards the north. They didn't linger long. However, when they strike, they come down. There's a downpour.
Big time.
And you experienced that
Sure did.
earlier in the day,
Yeah.
didn't you? Right
Yeah.
around the coast.
Luckily, these clothes dried off by now.
Thank goodness, thank goodness, because that's what's been happening. And we're going to see kind of a repeat scenario today with more showers in the morning hours. But right now, things are quiet. We don't have any rain to report. We've been seeing mostly fair skies across the region. We had some showers earlier this evening. They all came to an end around 6:30 tonight. And so you're looking at partly cloudy skies right now with a few showers forming just around Lake Okeechobee, moving in our direction, but not likely to make their way over here. So we're not going to see the rains developing during the overnight time period, but by morning we should start to see some showers along the coastal section. So that's what we're likely to experience. You can see there's nothing going on here, and then all of a sudden we get this bloom of showers, and they go away pretty quickly, but we're going to see them right here around Venice southward, and we're expecting to see them moving onshore. And then we'll get the afternoon showers coming on in east of I-75. They'll pick up with the sea breeze, and so we'll get that line of showers that takes place well inland, and we'll see maybe a 30% chance of rain in the forecast for tomorrow. But today, because the sun did come out for long periods of time, we got up to a high of 92 with an overnight low of 76 degrees. And right now, all of our temperatures are in the 70s and 80s across our viewing area. You can see right here along the beaches, 80, and then you move inland and we're looking at mostly 70s until you go into the real center of the state, where it certainly is back up in the 80s. Now, we are dealing with Beryl once again. Do you remember Beryl? Beryl was out in the Atlantic before, and now it's located right here off the coast of the U.S. And if I put this into motion, you can start to see this counterclockwise circulation right about there. It's not a very well-defined storm. It's a subtropical system, and it's moving off towards the northeast, and it's going to continue to make its way out here into the cold waters of the North Atlantic, where it will eventually die. But right now we're looking at 40-mile-per-hour winds. It's moving fairly quickly north-northeast at around 13 miles per hour, and this is what our spaghetti plots look like. So the models are taking it right out to sea, away from the U.S. mainland, and not causing any concerns at all for us, so we don't have to worry about it. If you're heading out to the beach tomorrow, winds will be out of the northeast to start, and then they're going to shift around and come in out of the southwest during the afternoon hours, 5 to 10 knots, seas 1 to 2 feet with a light chop out on the bay, and where we've got temperatures back up in the upper 80s. We'll see a mixture of sun and clouds, but remember, if you're heading to the beach in the morning for a morning walk, you may run into some showers. There is that possibility. So this is what it looks like over the next several days. Only a 30% chance of rain in our forecast, but we're going to see the morning showers and then again in the afternoon. And then those rain chances pick up as the week wears on. We're looking at a 40 to 50% chance each day, maybe a lesser chance next weekend, and temperatures are going to be right around that 90-degree mark once again. It's a typical summer-like forecast. Adam?